Oh no! My backpack was stolen! Can you help me catch the thief?
No problem. Leave it to me. Go, go, go!
Ah! You found my purse! Thank you so much!
No worries. That's what I'm supposed to do. Sheriff Labrador, mission accomplished.
Out of gas? Go refuel! Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car!
Baby bus, go! Woo-hoo! Hank, what's going on?
I want to share the toys with my friends, but I can't find them. Can you help?
No problem. Let's look for them together. These things are missing. Help Hank find them. Amazing! We've found all the toys!
Thank you. You've reached the finish line. Time to draw a prize. Cool, it's a new skin. Wow, what a nice car! All the cars are ready. Choose your favorite one. Police car. is ringing. Someone needs help. Oh no! My student was taken away by a bad guy! Wait for me! I'll be right there! A kid was lured away by a bad guy with candy. Please help me. Okay. Do you have any info about the bad guy? These two kids have seen the bad guy. Can you help me draw a picture of the bad guy? No problem. Kids, tell me the physical description of the bad guy. The bad guy is an orange fox. Yes, that's the one. The bad guy is wearing a... No, the bad guy doesn't look like this. The bad guy is wearing a white top. No, the bad guy doesn't look like this. The bad guy is wearing... That's right! That's what the bad guy looks like! The bad guy is wearing... No, not this one. No, not this one. Yes, that's the one! The bad guy is... No, the bad guy doesn't look like this. The bad guy is wearing... No, the bad guy doesn't look... That's right! That's what the bad guy looks like! Yes, that's him! He's the bad guy! Thank you! I'll go catch the bad guy right now! Which footprints belong to the fox? Found him! Let's go after him! Let's go catch the bad guy! Catch the bad guy to open the door. Catch the bad guy to open the door. Catch the bad guy to open the door. Go find the bad guy. tried to open the door. Now let's go save the kid. We found the missing child! We found the kidnapped kid! You can ask the police for help when you are in trouble. You've reached the finish line. Time to draw a prize. Oh, it's an amazing item! Little driver, come pick your police car. Time to patrol. Let's see what's happening today.
Calm down, Miss Bear. What's the issue here?
The parking lot is so disorganized.
Try it in the direction of the arrow. Woohoo! All the cars were driven out!
Which path do you want to take? Out of gas? Go refuel. Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car.
Baby bus, go!
No, no, no. Bunny is entangled in the vine and can't move.
Don't worry, we're gonna save her now.
Oh, I can't walk. Come and save me. Drag Officer Doberman to move the box and save Bunny. Thank you for saving me.
You're welcome. Whenever you're in trouble, just call Officer Doberman for help.
You've reached the finish line. Time to draw a prize.